Hi everyone, welcome back to Giga Builds Update. Today we're bringing you the biggest Camp Nou construction update yet. From massive lifting platforms and new compression ring pillars to slats and grandstands coming together, the stadium is buzzing with activity. Stay tuned as we explore every corner of Camp Nou, showing you all the incredible progress happening right now. The worker is currently working on the pillar, which is now completely concreted. This pillar is 100% finished with concrete, and everything is stable and ready. In the interior area, a worker is busy, although he is not fully visible from this angle. Looking around, we can see another lifting platform in this zone. It is not clear if a worker is on it, but most likely someone is working somewhere inside the scaffolding maze. The scaffolding here is extensive. They have installed beams and formwork panels to create the floor slab, similar to the work we have seen in the North Goal area. Between the scaffolding for the pillars and the scaffolding for the floor panels, the amount of scaffolding is truly impressive. In the corner area, activity is calm today. Very few workers are visible, and the zone looks peaceful. However, we notice a structural piece placed behind, although it is hard to see clearly from this angle. Now turning to the lateral area, we can see a structural piece that is different from the pillar lifted last week. This one is slightly smaller, but still important for the construction. There are also many pieces arriving for the compression ring. Work in this area is going to be very busy, and we can expect a lot of activity in the coming days. Looking at the slats, or lamas, in the lateral area, 2 slats are still missing to connect the 2 sections. The wall behind is already painted black, which was the first area where slats were installed. Painting was completed quickly and without any issues. In this section, there are more slats left to be installed than expected. 1 slat is completely missing, and 2 others are partially installed. Several pieces still need to be placed. On the right side, 3 lifting platforms are actively working. They are preparing this section, and we are sure to see new slats installed this week. In fact, after the initial recording, 1 new slat was already placed in this section. A truck is bringing new slats, all protected with white plastic. Prefabricated stands are also visible, along with a large amount of construction material in this lateral area. Glass panels are stored in another section and will likely be installed here, where rock wool insulation has already been applied. Another pillar for the compression ring is prepared, with yellow lifting elements already installed. These will be used to lift the piece with crane chains. This piece may be lifted later today or tomorrow. From this angle, it looks slightly smaller than the previous one, but it is still very large and important. Now we are closer to the corner. There is still a lot of material here, including beams for the compression ring, yellow support structures, and sapondas. These support structures are similar in appearance and function. There is a lot of work coming in the upcoming months. Camp Nou often looks calm, but new materials and work phases arrive suddenly. The year 2026 is going to be very busy here. Below the slabs, metal bars inside the beams are visible. They have been in place for some time, but now they are easier to see. In this corner, no new changes to the slat supports are observed. Some lower supports are still missing, as are diagonal supports connecting to the brackets. The floor area that was chipped a few weeks ago has not been concreted again yet. Due to heavy rain in recent days, the area is flooded. Across much of Spain, the rain has been intense, so caution is advised, especially on roads. At the North Goal corner, work is progressing on slat supports. 1 support is still missing in this section. Overall, this area remains calm but is slowly moving forward. Facing the North Goal, a lifting platform works in the interior, and another platform with several workers is visible. New anchor points for slat supports are now installed, signaling the beginning of slat installation in this area. This is an important update. Finally, in the corner near the grandstand, activity is limited. 1 lifting platform is working inside, with some movement in interior corridors. Glass panels remain stored, and materials are stacked on the diamond areas. Prefabricated stands seen earlier will be installed in the coming days. Everything else remains consistent with previous updates. That's all for today's update. If you enjoyed this progress report, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single update on the stadium's transformation. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou update.